Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So in this particular lecture, I'll be sharing with you all the most important topic list or the most important topics that you need to focus upon during these last 20 to 25 days which we have in our hand. See, during these last 20 to 25 days, it is not possible that we cover up the complete syllabus all over again. At this point of time, what you can do is, or what is most importantly required is that you need to focus upon the only most important topics, because you have already covered your syllabus beforehand and now you just need to brush up those points. So in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you all some of the most important topics that you need to have a look upon during these last days. So talking about the last minute revision topics, so the very first important topic is the enzymes. I have repeated about the importance of this particular topic time and again, and this topic is repeated almost every year in the main examination. And so is the next topic, that is the nucleic acid, in which we study about the various types, we study about the difference between them and the structures and all the other topics. So go for this topic during your last minute revisions. Then we have the topic of cell cycle, apoptosis and cancer, which is all related to the cell biology. The next topic we have is of the DNA mechanisms, which is from unit 3, and this particular thing includes all the topics ranging from the DNA replication, we have transcription, translation and the modifications. So make sure that you have a good grip over these topics during this last time. Next we have the topic of the signaling mechanism, which includes all the topics regarding the GPCR. Then we have all the other signaling pathways like the JAK-STAT pathway and the other ones as well. So make sure that you revise these topics nicely. Then we have the topic of the basics of developmental biology, which includes cell to cell signaling, cell induction, cell potency, cell fate, etc. So make sure you have a good grip over these as well. Then we have the topic of Drosophila, again from the developmental biology. If you have seen the last year papers, you could see that Drosophila is very important and you need to have a look over this topic time and again. In addition to this, you can also have a look over the ABCDE model of the flower development. Then we have the topic of sex determination, which is quite simple. So make sure you go for the unit 5 important topics as well. Next we have the unit number 6, in which we have the plant physiology. So make sure you have a good grip over the basics of plant physiology, the topic of photosynthesis, respiration. In addition to this, plant hormones, photomorphogenesis and all the other topics. Trust me, this particular unit is very important. So make sure that you revise all the topics of the plant physiology beforehand during these last days as well, because minute details from this unit could help you score a much better mark in the examination. After that we have the unit number 8, in which we study about the inheritance. So the crosses, linkages, recombination, inversion, mutation, all these topics hold a very good importance. So make sure you revise them at this last moment. In addition, have a grip over the pedigree problems. Every year you could find at least one question. So make sure at least you know the basics so that you can try to solve the question in the exam. Next we have the next unit, in which the phylogeny is very important, in which most importantly the terms are very important, like what is apomorphogenesis or what is synapomorphy, what is homoplasy, etc. So make sure that you revise these terms very nicely. Next we have the topic of behavioral ecology. We have community interactions, population growth kinetics, population dynamics. All these topics are from the ecology unit. So make sure that you revise this particular unit as well very nicely. Ecology is a very scoring unit, so make sure you revise it. In addition to ecology, the other most important or the very easy scoring unit is evolution. So small topics of evolution like speciation, what is altruism, the various rules, the time scale, etc. Make sure you revise these topics as well. These topics won't take much time. Next we have the unit of the 13 and 12, that is the applied biology and also the methods in biology. So from unit number 13, the techniques are very important and the basic applications of all the techniques is very important. For this, what you can do is, I have a video on my channel on which you can have a complete list over of all the techniques and their application. So watch that particular video, you will be able to cover up this particular topic. Next we have the agrobacterium mediated gene transformation topic, very important, and also time and again it is repeated in the exam. For unit number 12, what you can do is, instead of going for the complete revision part, just watch my playlist on the channel. There is a complete playlist of almost 8 videos if I am not wrong. Watch those all 8 videos and you'll be able to revise the complete unit. So these are the very important topics which you need to cover up during this last time. So these are the points. In addition to that, you need to re-revise the previous year question papers as well. Previous year question papers cannot be just sidelined during this last time. You need to revise the previous year questions as well. For that, what you can do is, you can have the PYQ pointers PDF from my channel. I have made a complete 77-page PDF in which almost 8 years previous year question papers are covered. So you can have this PDF with yourself and revise those previous year questions pointers very nicely. How you can have that? Out the complete information regarding the same, and if you want to have the same, just DM me in the number as given in the description box. So this was all I wanted to share in this particular video. I hope this particular video would help you out in some way or the other. Make sure that you do not forget to re-revise these topics during this last time. It is very important and these topics are time and again repeated in the exam. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider if you find the content useful for your preparation of the CSIR UGC NET. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I'll see you soon. Bye.